From the cargo ships to the backyard ground, we're building dreams that are safe and sound. Steel walls rising, cutting through the space, turning rusty metal to a beautiful place. Make sure to hit subscribe to BuildVerse right now. Stack 'em up high or lay 'em out wide. Step into the future, let's take a look inside. Big glass windows letting in the light, solar panels shining, everything is bright. Don't miss a thing, subscribe to BuildVerse right now. Shipping container homes cross the land. We're building the verse, yeah, we're making it grand. Cozy, modern, sustainable and sleek, the kind of design that you look for all week. The kind of design that you look for all week. If you love the vibe, subscribe to BuildVerse right now. Eco-friendly living, thinking outside the box. A tiny steel mansion that completely rocks. Every single weld, every wooden floor. BuildVerse is here to show you so much more. Join the journey, subscribe to BuildVerse right now. Across the land, we're building the verse, yeah, we're making it grand. Cozy, modern, sustainable and sleek, the kind of design that you look for all week. The kind of design that you look for all week. If you love the vibe, subscribe to BuildVerse right now. Yeah, turn the steel into a home. Subscribe to BuildVerse today. See you in the next design.